Very good evening, children. Welcome back to Akshar online classes. Myself, Johnson, your biology teacher. Okay. Actually, nutrition in the plants. What is that? Nutrition. Nutrition in the plants are completed. Nutrition in plants. Next one, nutrition in the animals. Second one, nutrition in animals. Okay. Next one, nutrition in the animals. Next, third chapter, respiratory system. Next one is the respiratory system. So these are the topics are completed. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Today we will go to that another new system that is nothing but that is nothing but
That is only spirituality. Control and chat do essential.
so transport system. What is that?
Transport system.
Transport system.
Transport system, sir.
So transport system we will discuss. TRANSPORT transport system. Okay, transport system we will discuss in the plants. Transport the system we will discuss in the animals. Okay,
Plants and animals, human beings.
human beings nothing but the animals only. Okay.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir. No, sir, it is nice.
Now coming to the point, sign already. Mustaches what your virtual backgrounds you are using more. Concentrate here. Okay, concentrate here. Actually, you know very well. So in the human being, so many systems are present. Okay, they are one is the nutrition. Second one is the respiration. Third one is the transport system. Okay. Fourth one is the excretion.
What, sir?
Excretion.
Excretion.
Fifth one is the nervous system. And
Nervous system.
sixth one is the reproduction. So these are all called life process. Okay. So that means life process means all the living organisms have basic some of the process occurs inside the body of the organism. Huh? Animals we can see it and plants also we can see it. Okay. Now coming to the point. So these are the life processes. Every life process is very important. These are the life process occurs in the plants and animals. These are the life process occurs in the plants and animal. So for example, nutrition. Nutrition means nothing but digestion. So we will discuss about that only in the plants and animals. Okay, digestion means complex molecule converted into the simple molecule is called digestion. If you are taking to that complex molecule like carbohydrate, proteins, fats, that is converted into the simple molecule like okay, glucose, amino acid and fatty acid. So that nutrition, what we are eat, that food, that complex molecule converted into the simple molecule with the help of the digestion. There is no digestion, there is no complex molecule not converted into the simple molecule. So that's why digestion is the important life process, because complex molecule converted into the simple molecule. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next point. Second one is the respiration. Respiration also important life process. Why the respiration is important life process? For example, if we eat the food, that food is combined with the oxygen, then energy generating system through the respiration. There is no respiratory system, there is no energy. Energy is the required so many ways. When we are wake up to when we are sleeping, we can do the so many works. These are the works required to the energy. These are the energy getting from that respiratory system only. There is no respiratory system, there is no energy. So that's why respiration is the important life process. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Third point. In that third point,
Transport system.
transportation. Transportation means especially, for example, we eat the solid food, we can drink the liquid water, and we can breathe that gases oxygen. So these are the distributed throughout the body through the transport system only. Okay. So there is no transportation. That materials only present in the particular one place. So that's why transportation is the important life process. That is the transport to the one place to the another place. Yes or no? So that's why transportation also important life process. Next, excretion. When the metabolic activities are occurs in the body of the organism, generally waste materials also formed. That waste material, if it is present within the organism, that is to become a poisonous. So that's why these are the waste material we can send outside of the body through the excretory system. Okay. So that's why excretion is the important life process, that waste material they can send outside of the body of the organism. So that's why excretory system is the important life process. Is it okay? Chaitanya,
Sir.
my voice is audible to you?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Next, fifth one is the reproductive nervous system. Nervous system also important life process, because so what is the inside the body and outside of the body, they can control and coordination occurs in the organism through the nervous system. So that's why nervous system also very important life process, that control and coordination occurs within the organism through the nervous system. So that's why nervous system is the very important. Reproduction also very important. That organism, they are prodigious to that new organism, new individual of the same species through the reproductory organ. There is no reproduction, there is no increase of the number of the species. So that's why new organisms are formed with the help of the reproduction only. So that's why reproduction is the important. So nutrition in the digestion, what are the main part? already we have studied. Mouth, oral cavity or buccal cavity. Okay, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. You have studied. Respiratory system, what are the main important parts? Lungs is the main important part. Nostril, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, okay, bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli, blood capillaries. In the transport system, what are the main important part? Blood, heart, blood vessels, especially in the human being. Excretory system, what are the main important organ? Kidneys is the very important organ of the excretory system. In the nervous system, what are the main important parts? Brain, okay. So spinal cord, nerves, these are the very important of the nervous system. In that reproductive system, what are the main important parts? In that male, testis is the male reproductive part and ovaries is the female reproductive part. These are the very important. So today topic is the transport system. Is it okay? Chaitanya? Mr.
Yes,
Chaitanya?
sir.
Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Transport system in animals. In animals. So what are the main important parts of the transport system in the animals? Please meet in yourself. Okay. Transport system in the animals. What are the main important parts of the transport system in the animal? First one is the heart. Second one is the blood. Third one is the blood vessels. What are the main important parts of the transport system in the animals? Heart, blood vessels. Chaitanya,
Sir.
some sound is coming. Now okay. In the transport system, what are the main important parts? Okay, heart, blood vessels. Yes or no? So, study of the heart is called what? Cardiology. Study of the heart is called Chaitanya.
Sir, cardiology, sir.
Study of the blood is called hematology.
Yes, sir.
Hematology.
Hematology.
Study of the blood vessels is called angiology. Okay. So study of the heart is called cardiology. Study of the blood is called hematology. Study of the blood vessels is called angiology. What is that? Angiology. Okay. Study of the heart is called Cardiology. Study of the blood is called hematology. Study of the blood vessels is called angiology. Now, heart. Where it is present in the heart? Heart is present where? Chaitanya?
Sir,
Heart where it is located?
in the chest, sir.
Oh. Heart. Heart is located in the chest cavity. Where it is? Chest cavity.
Chest cavity.
Just below the left side. Okay, left side. Heart is located in the chest cavity just below the left side. Okay. Next, what is the shape of that heart? Shape of the heart is pear shape. What shape? Pear shape. Okay. Generally, this is, do you know, triangle?
Last time I read.
Heart is actually triangle shape. What shape? Triangle. This is called anterior part. This is called posterior. Okay. If you see the heart, okay. If you see the heart, the anterior part is the broad. Yes. Posterior part is the pointed end. What is that? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So maybe this is the heart is size. What is the size of the heart? Maybe 300 grams. Okay. Next, fist. Fist means what? Your heart is your fist size. How much this is? That is the size of your heart. Is it okay? Okay.
Okay, sir.
So heart is the main important parts of the transport system in the human being is heart, blood vessels. Study of the heart is called cardiology. Study of the blood is called hematology. Study of the blood vessels is called angiology. If you see the heart is present heart is present in the chest cavity just below the left side in the lungs. Okay. So if you see the heart, shape of the heart is the pear shape, and so anterior part is the broad and posterior part is the pointed end. What is that? Pointed end. So this is the heart is the look like a triangle shape. What shape? Triangle shape. So next, size of the heart is, maybe it may be the heart is present in the 300 grams, or fist of your palm, fist of your palm, fist of your palm. Okay. Next. If you see the heart, okay, if you see the heart also made up of double membrane. What is that? This is the outer membrane. This is called inner membrane. Inner membrane. So these are the membranes is called in that heart pericardium. Pericardium. What it is? Pericardium. So in this pericardium, here what it is present, this is called pericardium fluid. What it is? Pericardium fluid. Pericardium fluid. Pericardium fluid. This is called pericardium fluid. So here, if any shocks are occur, any jerks are occur, any blows are occur, who protect the heart? Who protect the heart? So pericardium, one is the pericardium, okay, and second one is the pericardium fluid. So these are the two parts are the protected to the hearts from the jerks, blows, any mechanical shocks are occur. Is it clear? Chaitanya, who protect the heart from the shocks and
Sir, pericardium fluid, sir.
pericardium and pericardium fluid. Pericardium.
Sir, actually last week only we started transportation in animals and plants, sir.
Not started.
Yes, sir, started, sir. I have notes also. You explained heart and the pericardium fluid, and you gave a chart on red cells also, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. So that is the general introduction about the heart. Now coming to the point, blood. In this blood also known as the fluid connective tissue. So one more fluid connective tissue is present. Okay, that is the lymph. Blood and lymph also known as the fluid connective tissue of the body. Okay, how many liters of the blood is present? In the adults especially 5 liters of the blood is present. Okay, study of the blood is called hematology. So generally in that blood, so intracellular fluid of the blood is called what? Intracellular fluid of the blood is called plasma. In this plasma, okay, 96% is water. In that blood, the major component of the blood is called water. Okay, here in the blood, organic substances, inorganic substances, okay, so many substances is present. My question is, listen carefully, Chaitanya.
Okay, sir.
If the blood, if any injuries are occur outside, yes or no? Any injuries are occur outside, any injuries are occurs in the body, that blood comes out. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So within that 2 to 3 minutes that blood is clotting. Who is the helping of the clotting of the blood? Who is helping the
Sir, blood cells, sir.
blood cells, not blood platelet cells.
Yes, sir.
Platelets. So if any injuries are occurs, that blood will come outside of the body. Within the 2 to 3 minutes, that the blood platelet cells are helpful to the coagulation of the blood. Coagulation of the blood or clotting of the blood. Yes or no? Next, for example, inside that blood is flows in the blood vessels. In that when the blood is flows in the blood vessels, that blood is clotting. Blood is clotting in inside the body.
Yes, sir.
No. If that blood is heart is pumping up the blood into the different parts of the body through the blood vessels. If blood is clotting, automatically directly we can go to the death. So blood is not clotting in the inside the body of the cell. Which of that prevent the clotting of the blood in the blood vessels? Very important question. Generally, any injuries are occur, that blood will come outside. So within the 2 to 3 minutes, that blood will clot. That blood platelets are the help to the coagulation of the blood or clotting of the blood. But heart is the pumping of the blood through the blood vessels. So there is no clotting of the blood. Which are the prevent the clotting of the blood in the blood vessels? My question, are you understand carefully? Are you understand carefully?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer? Do you know heparin?
No, sir.
Heparin is the prevent the clotting of the blood in the blood vessels. Heparin is the prevent the clotting of the blood in the blood vessels. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So, blood is the very important. Why? Because what we can eat the food, that digested food is sent to the different parts of the body through the blood. Next, when the metabolic activities are occurs inside the body, waste materials are formed. That waste material also distributed to the excretory organ through the blood. Generally, another important, what we can eat, that drink the water, that is the distributed through that blood only. What we can eat, that is the distributed through the blood only. What we can eat, what we can drink, what we are breathe, everything, food, air, water, all the substances distributed through the blood only. There is no blood, okay. So in the blood, which element is present in that blood? Blood, which element is present in the blood? Iron. Iron. Why the blood is red in color? Why the blood is red in color? Why the blood is red in color? Because of the hemoglobin. Chaitanya,
Sir,
why the blood is red in color? Who are present in the blood? Who
sir,
are
hemoglobin.
hemoglobin pigment is present in the blood, so that's why blood is red in color. Why the leaves are green in color? Why the leaves are green in color? Because of the chlorophyll pigment is present. Which pigment?
Chlorophyll.
In this, especially chlorophyll, which element is present? Magnesium. In the hemoglobin, which element is present? Iron. That is also keep in your mind. In that blood, okay, next another important point. So especially, do you know endocrine system? Ductless glands. So these are the glands directly releases to the hormones. They are hormones. These are the hormones are distributed to the different parts of the body through the blood only. Through the blood only. Okay. So that's why in our body, blood is the very essential. Okay. So how we can get the blood cell? Okay. So that is next chapter we will discuss. So here also we will discuss these are the blood cells are classified into, okay, three types. What are they? One is the red blood cells. Red blood cells. So this is nothing but R, B, C. So second one is the white blood cells. This is nothing but WBC. And so actually third one is the blood platelets. So here in this nucleus absent. Okay, in this nucleus absent. Okay, in this nucleus present. Okay, next, red blood cells, especially red in color. White blood cells are white in color. Okay, so because in the red blood cells, hemoglobin pigment is present. In the white blood cells, hemoglobin pigment is absent. So that's why red blood cells are the red in color, white blood cells are the white in color. And if you see the red blood cells, number is the more when you are compared to the white blood cells. Okay, red blood cells number is more when you are compared to the white blood cells. In the lifespan of the red blood cells, 120 days. Lifespan of the white blood cells, 12 to 13 days. Okay, so these are the normal differences. Normal differences. So these are the topics already discussed last time, Chaitanya.
Yes, sir.
Okay. To next class we will discuss about that internal structure of the heart is over.
No, sir.
That-
Internal structure not.
Internal structure of the heart we will discuss next class. At the same time, in the transport system of the plants also we will discuss in the next classes. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Any doubts regarding biology, please ask.
No,
Chaitanya?
sir. No doubt, sir.
No doubt. Is it clear? Are you understanding biology easy way?
Yes, sir.
It is any helping to you?
Yes, sir.
Please.
Clarified, sir.
Okay. So thank you. Very good evening. Have a nice day.